Good afternoon, everybody. We're all here today to highlight the many failings of the public body based here in Stevenson Street, called the Criminal Cases Review Commission, or more usually the CCRC. The CCRC was set up to be the only route to the Court of Appeal, and where, in effect, made the gatekeepers to justice for the wrongfully convicted. In practice, the CCRC can't or won't do the job that Parliament gave it. It won't use the powers that it was given to investigate cases presented to them, and they show an almost callous indifference in their dealings with applicants. It took nearly 2 years for them to actually start reading the submissions that were made on behalf of Jeremy Bamber in March 2021. His first case review manager, knowing that he was leaving the CCRC within 12 months, reviewed none of the issues lodged. You will hear from other speakers about many other aspects of the way the CCRC operates that are either substandard or failing altogether. However, there is one problem that I will mention which is of particular concern to a lot of campaigns for justice, and it hasn't received a lot of public attention. And that is the role of former police officers at the CCRC. Parliament intended the CCRC to be a beacon of hope for the wrongfully convicted. Instead, it has become the graveyard where the hopes for justice of thousands of innocent people go to wither away and die. And that is wrong, morally, legally, and in every other way. And for the sake of justice in this country, that needs to change now.
I've listened with pain and anguish at the stories of injustice that have been told today. Anyone with any heart or conscience knows that the CCRC is failing people who have put cases before it. Your testimonies today show why the CCRC must be reformed, why it's failing to do its job, why it is leaving people who have evidence of wrongful conviction languishing in prison for months, for years, even for decades. We say that the CCRC is part of a criminal injustice system that keeps too many innocent people in jail. It's time for reform. It's time, if necessary, for abolition. We cannot continue with the CCRC in its present form. It is not fit for purpose.
It went very well. The speakers articulated very well all the failings of the CCRC, and we're pleased that hopefully this event will start a public debate about what needs to be done about the failings of the CCRC.